Cooking with Joy. Well, cooking is simple. Do you know that rice is the oldest known food that is still widely consumed today? And we want to share this simple and delicious recipe. So watch out, rice.
You will need a thin layer of cooking oil, 1 cup of long rice, 1.5 cups of Norway chicken broth. Ginger is optional. 1 egg already beaten. Add Sriracha sauce to your liking.
So yeah, here's my helper.
Thank you, Jojo. First, heat your oil to warm. Add your rice and stir constantly for around 1 minute. Pour your chicken broth and add your piece of ginger. Reduce the heat and cover. Let it cook until the water evaporates, around 10 or 12 minutes. Brush your pan with a coat of oil and put it to low heat. Empty the rice to the pan with oil. And start stirring. You can remove the ginger. Add your egg to the rice and stir until the rice is all cooked and mix. Pour on top of the rice as much as you want. And mix.
Thank you, helper.
You're welcome, Jojo.
Serve and eat. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button and subscribe, then click the bell icon for notification. Thank you and see you next time on Cooking with Joy. That's a wrap.